taking some more questions which are entirely different from the previous ones. Find all points on the curve y equal to 4x cube minus 2x with power 5 at which the tangent passes through origin. Now what does it mean? We were earlier given at the point of contact or whatever the condition given, we want to find the point of contact and use it later on to find the equation of tangent. But in this case, we have some curve and at which the tangent, if I draw the tangent like this passes through origin. This passes through origin. We are given this or somewhere here also. It may be like this. It is passing through origin. We are not given such points of contact. Right? So I again assume the point of contact be x1, y1 and apply the condition tangent passes through origin. So we will first find the equation of tangent and we will make it pass through origin. Let us do and then we will come to know how we are to go about this question. The given curve is let Px1, y1 be the point of contact. First of all, we will assume on the curve. Now, given curve is y equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to power 5. Now, I can differentiate it with respect to x. That gives dy by dx as 12x square minus 10x to the power 4. Now, slope of tangent at this point, which we have assumed as the point of contact at Px1, y1 is 12x1 square minus 10x1 to the power 4. Now, this point of contact lies on the curve as well. Point P lies on given curve. Therefore, y1 must be 4x1 cube minus 2x1 to the power 5. These are the same steps we have done earlier so many times. Now, this is the slope and this is point of contact we have, and the equation of tangent I can find with the help of the formula y minus y1 as m times x minus x1. That becomes here y minus y1 equal to m. The slope we have got it as this slope 12x1 square minus 10x1 to the power 4 into x minus x1. Now, also I have told you the point P lies on the curve, so y1 is actually this value. So we can convert this y1 as 4x1 cube minus 2x1 to the power 5 as 12x1 square minus 10x1 to the power 4 into x minus x1. If I simplify it, this is the term of x, then I can write the term of y, and then the rest of the terms in x1. x1 is a constant actually. Now, the line, if a line passes through, suppose I take an example, 2x plus 3y as 5. If I want to check whether this line passes through 1 minus 2, then what will I do? I will substitute x as 1 and y as minus 2 and check whether it is passing through this point or not. So in the same way, if this tangent is passing through origin, we are to replace this x and y with origin. Means x we substitute as this tangent is passing through origin 0, 0. Therefore, this 0 minus 4x1 cube minus 2x1 to the power 5 is 12x1 square minus 10x1 to the power 4 into 0 minus x1. Generally, students do the mistake over here. They substitute in place of x1 and y1 as 0, 0. This x1, y1 is actually the point of contact I have told you in each and every question earlier we have done. We cannot replace this by 0, 0. This tangent is passing through origin, so this is not the point of contact where the tangent is having. Now from here, we can have minus 4x1 cube plus 2x1 to the power 5 as minus 12x1 cube plus 10x1 to the power 5. By simplifying, I get 8x1 to the power 5 minus 8x1 cube as 0. 8x1 cube common, x1 square minus 1 is 0. From here, x1 can have the values as 0 or 1 or minus 1. Now, substituting this value in the given curve as given in the given equation, let me take this as 1. So y1, when x1 is 0, then y1 will become 0. When x1 is 1, then next point will become, this is 4 minus 2, 2. And then when x1 is minus 1, then y1 will become minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2. So required points at which tangent passes through origin are 0, 0, 1, 2 and minus 1, minus 2. I hope you have understood the difference between this question and the previous one. Let us take one more question to clarify the same concept here. I am taking, find the equation of tangents to the curve. This curve in implicit form given. This was explicit. Only the difference here, which passes to the point. Here it was given passes through origin. Now here given the point is 4 by 3, 0. That means to some curve, if we draw the tangent, that point 4 by 3, 0, this tangent is passing through. This point again we are not given, and I assume this has to be the point of contact as Px1, y1. Now, let us take the solution. We have, let Px1, y1 be the point of contact. It must lie on the curve. It lies on the curve. Therefore, 3x1 square minus y1 square is 8. This is actually the hyperbola. And after that we have given curve as 3x square minus y square equal to 8, which find the slope of tangent and all whatever. We'll differentiate with respect to x. This is 6x minus 2y dy by dx equal to 0. From here, dy by dx will become minus 6x by minus 2y, that is 3x by y. And at this point, slope of tangent at this point of contact Px1 y1 is 3x1 upon y1. This is your slope of tangent and this is the point of contact. With the help of this, I can find equation of tangent as, again using the formula y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. This is y minus y1 as 3x1 5 y1 into x minus x1. Now, here we are given this line passes through the point 4 by 3, 0. Suppose we have got this line in simplified form like 2x plus 3y, then we want to substitute this point as x and y. Therefore, as this tangent passes through 4 by 3, 0, therefore, so I will replace this value y as 0 minus y1 equal to 3x1 by y1 into x replacing by 4 by 3 minus x1. So we have minus y1 square as 4x1 minus 3x1 square. From this I am getting as 3x1 square minus y1 square as 4x1. Here also we have got in one equation as 3x1 square minus y1 square as 8, and this is your second equation. Simplifying, solving 1 and 2, we can get this 4x1. This is the same as this one, or otherwise we will have to solve these two equations to get some value for x and y. So this is your 2. When x1 is replaced as 2 in 1, substituting x1 2 in 1, we get 3 times 2 square minus y1 square is 8. From here y1 square is here 12 minus 8, that is 4. So y1 is plus minus 2. So we are getting the point of contact as, the point of contact is one is 2, 2 and another is 2 and y1 is minus 2. They are getting right. x1 is 2 and y1 is 2. The slope of tangent is 3x1 y1. 3x1 upon y1, that means 3 into 2 by 2 is cancelled out 3. Then equation of tangent in this case becomes y minus 2 as 3 times x minus 2. This is your 3x minus 5 minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 is 0. And for the second case, when case 2, when x1 is 2 and y1 is minus 2, slope of tangent becomes 3x1 upon y1 as 3 into minus 3 into 2 upon minus 2, this is minus 3, right? So we have equation of tangent in this case as y minus plus 2, that is minus 3 x minus 2. So from here 3x plus 5 minus 4 is 0. So we have got these two equations at two different points which are passing through the point 4 by 3, 0. Although the question is long enough, but it comes for 6 marks, sometimes it